This is a brief tutorial on how to use the Help menu in ePMX. Notice up here next to the House page, this circle, if I click on it, it gives me several menu options. If I click on Help Docs at the top, it will open up a new tab and take me to the Help menu. Notice we landed on the home page, but over on the left is a menu that you can expand and search for the topic that you want to search for. In the upper right hand corner, there's a search box where you can type a keyword and ePMX will display the options. You can scroll through it and select what you're looking for. Now, if we go back to ePMX and we go into one of the menu options, for example, Master Files Corporation, I'm going to click Modify and I'm going to come over here to the REQ Info tab. If I'm looking for details on approvals and I'm on this page in ePMX, I can simply go up to the circle icon, click on Help Docs, and Help will display the details for all of the configurations on that page. You can do this throughout the software.